Hello, today is an important video, an update to the Poor Man's Watch collection. We've had some exciting things happen. First of all, a note, we've had a couple of giveaways on this YouTube channel recently. It was a lot of fun, it turned out really well, and I intend to make more giveaways. I've got another watch that I'm interested in using as a giveaway, and I have a pen that's coming that is not going to be used for what I thought it was going to be used for, so I'm going to give that pen away. And I may be giving away a journal. I've been watching journal videos and journaling channels on YouTube, and I've become very interested in journaling. And I have a nice, couple of nice journals, more than I can fill. So I think I may be giving one away. But anyway, there's going to be a couple of interesting things. We had a lot of fun, had a lot of wonderful comments on the giveaways, and it may be something I'm going to be doing a lot of. But this is my watch collection update. And it's still a poor man's watch collection, and there's going to be an unboxing in this video of my latest watch. So I want to start out by saying a lot of the watches are the same, but there's new stories that go with some of them. So the first watch we'll talk about is this cheapo department store watch I bought, and I'm OCD about a lot of things, and I can't just throw things out. So this is the watch I've been wearing to go fishing and to work in the yard, and when I wear it out, I'll chuck it, but not until then. This watch, my Timex, I still love, and I wear it, and I especially wear it when I see my grandchildren, because my grandchildren like the way it lights up, the Indiglo. They like to push the button, they like to, when we go see them in the evening, to turn out the lights and see it light up. So I love to wear this watch when I see my grandkids. This Timex watch, this Expedition, I still love it, and I wear it frequently. My Fender guitar watch that my daughter gave me, the one that I broke the crystal on, made me weep, I still wear it regularly. And it is wearing out, and it's not, this band obviously is not replaceable. I will continue to wear this watch until it's unwearable, but I really sincerely do love this Fender watch that my daughter gave me. And along with that, this So&Co watch that my son gave me for Christmas a number of years ago. I don't wear it often. When I get dressed up, I wear it. I think it's beautiful. It's just a fashion watch, but I have always loved it, and I still wear it regularly because my son gave it to me. Oh, and there's one more. This fashion watch, this Kenneth Cole Special, my rectangular watch. I love it, and I wear it. I wear this watch very frequently. This is a wonderful watch, and I love it. And you know, like I said in the giveaway for the Timex watch, one thing that's important to me about all these watches is readability. I need to be able to read them at a glance. That's important to me. The famous wife stealer, my Citizen Bryson watch. I wear this one frequently when I want to wear a nice watch. This is a special watch, and it is a beautiful, beautiful watch, and I wear it frequently. You know, and it's solar powered. I don't know if many of you knew that about these Citizen Brysons. This watch is solar powered and has great lume when I'm in someplace dark. It's a beautiful watch, and I really still enjoy wearing this watch. I have a Seiko Skx, this watch. Now, I had somebody leave a comment about this, and they were right. I loved the Jubilee watch band that came with this, but it just, you know, like was commented on with the changing weather and my skin swelling and not swelling. The band just never fit exactly right, and I'll probably put it back on one day. It's fine. It's a beautiful band. But I bought this NATO strap for this watch. It's made it more comfortable to wear, and I still wear this SKX 009. It's a day date. I wear it frequently, and I love it. It's one of my favorite watches to wear. So I got that band for that watch that has made it really fun to wear. And for the Bambino, some people complain. This is my Bambino, the Orient Bambino, one of my very favorite watches. I will always, always love this watch. But the band that comes with the Bambino, a lot of people will comment that it's not a very high quality watch band, and it's not. So I bought this deployment clasp watch band for my Bambino, and it's made it to be an even more beautiful watch. And I get comments when I wear it, people will that notice things like watches will frequently comment on how beautiful this watch is. And with this deployment clasp, nice leather band, this watch looks spectacular. And I love that. So I said today is an unboxing, and it is. And here it is. So here's my handy dandy Leatherman, which is something I recommend everybody own. Have you ever watched an unboxing and noticed that sometimes people that do these pretend to struggle with opening the box? They think they're building tension. Man, this looks ridiculous. So here we go. Main box opened. And I'm going to discard this box and put, ooh, you know what? I can always tell when it's something cool because it's a big box. So, oh my gosh, I take the little cardboard sleeve off, and sure enough, what does that say? What does that say? Hamilton. And let's take that lid off. And this comes down. Look at that. This part comes down, and this box looks like wood. I don't know if it really is. I'll give my opinion in a minute, but it looks like wood. So we slide that out, and then underneath it, we've got, I'm assuming, oh, it's a book about care, and it's in lots of languages about how you should take care of your Hamilton watch. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. Let's set this over there. This is a fun day for me. So let's open it. There it is, boys and girls. It's all wrapped up in plastic. Let's take it out of the plastic, though, because nothing looks good in plastic. And it's got this... Oh, I'm going to take this thingy off. And there it is. The Hamilton Khaki King. And I'm going to take off, right in front of you, take off the protective plastic. Wow. Let's go ahead and discard that. There it is, boys and girls. And it's even set. Well, the time's not correct, but the day... No, it's set to the 12th. So it's not set correctly. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. And look, it's got the open back. It's my first watch that's got this. And I'm going to take the protective plastic off that too. Look at that. So you can see the guts on the inside. The strap looks really beautiful. And I'm not quite sure. It's 108. Let's set that. 108. So now that's correct. And we'll go in. So we want to leave it on Saturday, but we want to make it the 24th. And the date, look at that. Okay, I haven't been saying anything, and usually I'm a chatterbox. The date is very readable. I have some watches that the day is hard to read. But this one, that's glorious. That is glorious. So I'm going to take off the watch I'm wearing. Let's put it on. I mean, you know what? If I was doing a lingerie channel, I'd show you wearing the lingerie. So I might as well show you me. Oh, the leather is really stiff. And I think that's a good thing. But anyway, that's what it's going to look like on me. Ooh, you know what? That looks just like the real thing. That looks just like the real thing. Man, that's nice. That is so nice. So let's talk about how this fits into my collection. So let's go back. That was so much fun. I'm going to do it again. A lot of people in my comments, and not just in my comments, I've noticed online there are people that will say what the steps are to becoming a watch fanatic. And they're right. I mean, I saw, as I started to become interested in watches, a number of mid-range, nice Swiss movement watches that I thought, oh, I gotta have one of those, and I gotta have one of those, and I gotta have one of those. And I've lost interest in a lot of the brands as time has gone by because, you know, I don't want to have watches that just sit in boxes. I want to, all the watches I own, I want to wear them regularly. And so as I thought about the ones that were within my price range, a poor man's price range that I could save up for, this watch here became obvious to me, and people said, well, that's what will happen, you'll want this watch. And they're right. This Hamilton, and this, I love it, I've noticed with fountain pens and watches, the fancier they are, the fancier the boxes they come in. So like we saw in the unboxing, the lid comes off, the box inside isn't wood, but it's got this wood grain veneer that's really nice. And so you take the box out, and then I'm not going to take the little booklet out because it just gives common sense watch maintenance information. But there's this box that the Hamilton, my new Hamilton watch comes in. And you open it, and there it is. I mean, Hamilton, the Khaki King, the Hamilton Khaki King. Yeah, I mean, as I started looking at all of the watches that I could become interested in, this watch became obvious. It became obvious. This is what I needed. It just became obvious. It's spectacular. And the band is really nice. And it's a day date with a very interesting position, but the Khaki King has become more and more and more interesting to me as time has gone on. And so I saved up for it and I got it. And it's my fanciest watch to date. And I put it on. And I mean, look how nice that looks on. That, I haven't worn it out in public very much yet, but that is a nice watch. That's beautiful. If I ever buy another watch, I'll spend more than $1,000. But for now, this is the capper for my poor man's watch collection. This is what I've learned about watch collecting. And this is the steps I'm taking. And we'll see where it goes from here. I don't know where it'll go from here. This one's for me. I'll never give this one away in any kind of a giveaway. But watch this channel. There will be giveaways. And I do want you to learn about watches. Because you know what? A gentleman wears a watch. And I hope that that's one takeaway you get from the poor man's watch collection. I may not be a wealthy man. I may not have a Rolex. But I'm a gentleman. And I wear a watch. Hey, thanks for everybody's comments and all your support.